Finance 101, Understanding Basic Financial Terms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of finance and understanding basic financial terms. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to brush up on your knowledge, this video is designed to provide you with a solid foundation in finance. So, let's get started. Definition and examples. Finance is a fundamental aspect of our lives, influencing how we manage our money and make financial decisions. To begin, let's define some key terms. Income refers to the money you earn, such as your salary, freelance work, or investment returns. On the other hand, expenses are the costs we incur in our daily lives, including rent, utilities, groceries, and entertainment. Understanding these basic terms is crucial for financial literacy. Income and expenses. Now that we understand income and expenses, let's talk about budgeting. Budgeting is a powerful tool that helps us manage our money effectively. By creating a budget, we can allocate our income towards different expenses, savings, and investments. Start by listing your income sources and categorize your expenses into fixed and variable. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation and help you make informed decisions. Savings and investing. Saving money is a vital aspect of financial well-being. It provides a safety net for emergencies and allows us to achieve our financial goals. You can take your savings to the next level by investing. Investing allows your money to grow over time through the power of compounding. Consider options such as savings accounts, certificates of deposit, or index funds to start building your investment portfolio. Credit and debt. Credit plays a significant role in personal finance. It enables us to access loans, credit cards, and other financial opportunities. However, it's important to use credit responsibly. Understand the difference between secured and unsecured debt, and be mindful of interest rates. Develop good credit habits, such as paying bills on time and keeping your credit utilization low, to maintain a healthy credit score. Financial goals. Setting financial goals is crucial for achieving financial success. Start by identifying your short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals could include paying off debt or saving for a vacation, while long-term goals may involve retirement planning or home ownership. Remember to make your goals SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Having clear goals helps guide your financial decisions. That wraps up our Finance 101, Understanding Basic Financial Terms video. We've covered the essentials, including income, expenses, budgeting, savings, investing, credit, debt, and financial goals. By mastering these concepts, you're well on your way to financial literacy and building a solid foundation for your financial future. We hope you found this information valuable. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more finance-related content and comment below what you would like to see.